Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. Green's Cannabis Grow, day 13. It's good to see you guys again. We got a lot to talk about. We did a lot today. I did a lot of stuff today to get things ready for this video and for the grow. So we got the hydroponic stuff all set up. Went ahead and set up all the buckets. I used PVC, put some PVC and some connections together. I used the PVC glue that you can normally get. It's two parts. There's usually a primer, right, and then there's a glue. I use the two-part, and I do it that way. And I put two PVC pieces together, and then I attach those pieces to the buckets. And for that, I use JB Weld. I didn't use the normal JB Weld. I used the JB Weld plastic, right? I used specific plastic because I used it before, and it worked really well for me as far as putting the two plastics together. So and not having any leaks, right? So I've been putting water in the buckets and filling the buckets up. I have the air stones in there. I will show you where the air pump is at here in a second. We'll start there. Start with the air pump, and then I'm going to move you over to the water cooling system and the air filtration system, which you guys have already seen. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on inside and look at what we got going inside with the grow and how I set the buckets up and the PVC and the JB Weld, and you'll be able to see all that stuff. And I'll show you the inside of the water, and you can see how the air stones are working on the inside. And there's a lot of tubing and stuff on the inside too. I will show you how the tubing is set up so that you can tell where the water is intake and where it's exiting at, and how it's getting to the water cooling system. And I also have a thermometer set up in there so you can see what the water temperature is on the inside of the buckets. So that's pretty cool, right? So let's go ahead and get started. I'll move you right along through the video. Just follow along with me. All right, let's do it. Okay, so back here behind the tent, I have the air pump, and it is set up with a divider, and that divider is capable of running 6 lines. I've got it set up running the 2. A lot of people use a system like this for airbrush and stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure how much this one cost. My dad gave me this as a gift, so I have that. This is a power line running our lights inside, just so you're aware. And then down here, like I said, I've got our air filtration system by VivoSun. I think this one cost me about 120 bucks when I bought it. And then I have and there's our temperature running through the inside there at 67 degrees. I've got it set to run in between 65 and 70. And that's our water temperature control system right there, right? And that's keeping our water at a pretty good temperature. This guy, there's the stats for you on that guy. It ran me about $320, and I bought that on Amazon. I got most all this stuff here on Amazon. Okay, including the tent. Now we're going to open the store and go inside as quickly as possible, and then shut the door behind us so that we can keep this bugs out if there are any. I'm going to try to keep a pretty bug-free environment because that's super duper important. Alright, so we're looking around a little bit here real quick. And there's the temperature gauge. Says that the inside water temperature in here is 68.4, but it's dropped down from where it was about 15 minutes ago. Water moving around a little bit. It's going to go up inside the tanks a little bit, so that's no surprise that it's about a degree up. Here we have both of the plants that I planned on putting in our hydro grow. This tank over here is where I will add water and nutrients, and I continue to do so as we go along here. It's also got the pump inside of there that is pumping water out of here and into our water control system, temperature control system anyway. And then in here, these lines right here have the water that is running into the buckets, right? And if I take this up, we can look inside there and see that the air stones are pushing air into the water. You see that pretty good? Yeah. All right. I hope you can see that. I hope I do that pretty good. All right. So, and there's our plant there now. It hasn't rooted. The roots haven't gotten down to touch that water yet. Plus, I don't have that water very full. I'm still adding water, and I haven't added nutrients to any of this yet. Well, I'm going to talk to you guys about nutrients tomorrow. We will talk about all the nutrients that I use for both the hydroponic grow and for the soil grow. I use General Hydroponics for my hydroponic grow nutrients and Fox Farm for my soil. But there you have it. There's our lights. These are the SP3000s. I like these lights a lot. They do a really good job. So these are pretty good lights, and they're doing me pretty well. They're by Mars Hydro. And then of course we have the heater and the humidifier and the fan over there set up. I also still have the one gelato left. I'm debating what to do with that, and I'm also using it as backup in case this guy just doesn't seem to want to straighten up on me real well. So we'll see how it goes. All right, that's day 13. Wish me luck. We will see you guys tomorrow. That's a good start for everything. We got everything moving right along. I'm excited about this grow. I think things are going to work out really well. Just keep following me. Keep following us as we move along. We'll watch these puppies get bigger and bigger, and we'll see what we can produce. That's going to do it for us for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 14. Like and subscribe if you like and you want to subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you very much.